Hi everyone. Have you ever seen a mark sheet or a price list on Amazon or a timetable in a school? All of them have one thing in common: rows and columns. In HTML, we call this a table. And don't worry, easier than Excel. So, an HTML table is used to show data in rows and columns. Think of it like a notebook table, but for website. HTML table have four main tags: table, the full table, the tr, table row, th, table heading, and td, table data. So table is the house, tr is the floor, and td and th are the rooms. So let's create a table. So first I will add table tag. So this this table tag just tells the browser, hey, I am about to create a table, nothing will show yet. So if I save this, you are not able to see anything in the browser. So now I will add tr. So tr means table row, no table. So inside tr we have a ts tag. So I'll add ts tag. So th tag, th is the table heading, and browser make it bold automatically because headings like attention. So if I'll save this, you can see that name is coming in bold. So the third thing is the td. So I'll add one more th, for example edge, okay, city also. So three things showing in heading, and I will add one more tr, and inside the tr I have added three. Inside the tr we have a td. So td is the table data. This is the real content. So now I'll save this. So you are able to see in that browser name, age, and city. But this is not looks like a table. So I will add some border in table. So let me add the border. Now table is shy. Without border, table says, with border, table says, look at me. So each tr creates a new row and each td creates a new column. More tr, more rows, and more tds, more column. Remember this rule: no tr, no table. So td without tr, browser gets confused. So td cannot live alone. It's need tr like chai needs a cup. So in real life, HTML tables are used for marksheet reports, pricing tables, admin dashboard. So if you want to add one more data in that table, just copy paste this. Now I'll save that. So this way you can add more data in the table. So that's it for HTML tables. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and keep learning. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.